Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to find your full Citi credit card number online, whether it's mobile or PC. The same process. First, I just want you to launch the Citi mobile app, and once you are on the home page, what I want you to do here on the top panel, click on banking. Okay, now here under banking section, you see I have this checking account right here. If you want the other ones, you can slide to the left and get the other ones. Well, just tap on this account. Okay, just tap on account info. And here you see account number and a button that says show. All you actually need to do is just tap on this show button. It'll ask you to enter your PIN. Okay, just enter your PIN and it would basically display your account number. Okay, and there you go. We can see our account number. And it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.